Hi, this is Rich, and this is the third video in our Firehouse Flip series. Our week began with a full dumpster. Ultimately, we had 4 giant dumpsters that we needed in order to get all the debris out of this house. One of our main objectives of the week was to get the rest of the roof removed from the house. We had 3 rooms to do: the garage, family room, and front room. The other main objective of this week was to finish cleaning out the mountain of debris. Here I'm showing how dirty we got from working on this mess. We're having some good times today. Let's see what we're up to. Today I've been shoveling like crazy, actually last couple of days, trying to get some of this mess cleared out. And Dave has been removing the rest of our roof for us, and it's heating up, so we're getting into the 90s today, so we're a little bit steamy to add to the pleasure. This shows how we were able to remove the roof from the entire house. Here's the furnace that caused this whole devastating fire. There was a gas explosion. At the end of week 2, Caleb joined our crew, and Caleb is Dave's son.
Perfect.
When we removed the carpeting from the front room, we were quite surprised to find this interesting hand-painted artwork on the floor. Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. You just put it through the wall. Throwing hammers. Nice.
So like a ninja. I'm gonna try a different move.
That was a good move. Okay, that's it for video 3, and we hope to post another video soon. Thanks for watching.